This is running now. When you open the door, you hear the damper shut and the air gets shut off. Yeah, fan's running and blowing cool air out. Just can't reset those flashing lights the way the manual says, but here we go. There, shut it off. And shut the door. Should be able to hear it start again. Because the light's off. I can hear it going. The other one kicked into life. Yeah, doesn't put a lot of air out, just enough. Anyway, everything else is washed and ready for the morning.